So last week we saw about visualizing. We went here, and then we take the show you the visual viewports configuration, and then we saw some basic of UCS and some of the items. Okay, so today maybe I will cover that, and I will go to the further topics. Okay, so first, when you open the AutoCAD, the first thing you need to do is actually you need to see whether which portion you are you in drafting and annotation or 3D basic or 3D modeling. So I prefer you either take 3D basic or 3D modeling. So 3D modeling is better way. No, the 3D modeling got more comments. So you always keep in 3D modeling. That will be the best thing. Okay, and you can choose 3D modeling here. Here you can see the gear picture. Here you choose 3D modeling. Then 3D. Then here you can click this button, and then you can choose drafting and 3D modeling is the one you're supposed to choose. Okay, then the same thing can be choose here also. You see, okay, it's blocking. Okay, so this also here you choose here also 3D modeling. Okay, and then you sometimes if you this one don't have, then you should bring it from here. You go here, then here you need to see here switching workplace switching. See this button is off. You see the gear is gone. There is no gear, right? So if you don't have a gear, then you need to go here. Then you need to switching workplace. Where is switching? Okay, workplace switching. So now the gear the gear is here. Correct? Okay. So now we have the setting. So then what the next thing we need to do? Okay. So normally when your 2D screen, how it will look like? The 2D screen will look like. Okay, I'll go to the WCS. This is the original portion. I'll go here, and then I'll go to top view. Okay, this is how your 2D setting will work. Correct? Right or not? Okay. So from here, when you draw a rectangle, you starting from maybe you can take 0, 0. 0, 0, it will start from the X and Y starting. Then I want to put here maybe like dimensions. Okay, so I want to give dimensions. So I select the dimensions column, and then I want to give maybe 10. Okay, right, 10. So, dimensions 10. Enter. Then with this actually I want to give 5. Okay, now zoom. Okay. Okay, sorry, I need to do it again. So rectangle 0, 0, enter. Then I select dimensions here. Then 10 is okay, 5 is okay. Then it's show you where your rectangle should be. So I want rectangle to on this side, whether you want this side or this side. So you can choose 4 sides actually. Okay, I choose this side. Then I choose. Okay, now you got a rectangle. Okay, now this is what you see here. I want to make it. I want to extrude. What is extrude? Extrude is actually something about you give a height 3-dimensional drawing. So I already told you that 3-dimensional drawing is we will be learning 3-dimensional drawing here. And what is the difference between 2D and 3D? Is actually 2D is only you see the 2 dimension. 3D you see the 3rd dimension of it. So you see see a total volume of the thing. Okay, so you go, extrude is this one. So you go here, extrude, then you select this button, then enter. Okay, so now it's asking you how much you want to extrude. So I put 5. Okay, now I already got a cube. My thing is no more the square. You know this rule. How x and y z what work? Any idea? Okay, here left hand thumb rule. You know left hand thumb rule. You know this left hand thumb rule. This is your x and this is your y. Okay, your z is always opposite to the perpendicular. See, x, this is y, this is x, this is y, and this is a z. Okay, now you cannot see the z, right? So because you are seeing from the top view. Okay, so if you want to see the z, what you need to do is actually there are a few things can be done. You can just rotate this drawing, or see now I'm rotating. How I rotate? Okay, here there is a rotating button. Okay, you go here, orbit, free orbit. See, now I can see it's a cube. You understand? So now it is a cube. So this is how a 3D works. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you that this V cube also changes. So I want to go to the previous no okay. This is WCS, right? Okay, I go to WCS again. So now it's going to I'm going to this view. Here home button. Home button will go to the normal one. When you press the home button, what will happen is actually it will go to the southwest view, SW. You know what is SW? South. Okay. You see top. Okay. When top here, you can see north, east, southwest. Understand? North, east, south, west. So when you click here, it will go to north, southwest view and perspective view. You understand? So you want a perspective and okay, parallel view, and then it's go to parallel view and southwest view. You see, if you click here, it will become what? So it is a southeast view. So this is correct. Okay, this is a southeast view. So each view it will turn to the direction accordingly. So then here you click, it's going to be a northeast view. Here you click here, it gives west north view. You will get the first north view. So this is how it works. Okay. So when you see here, when you change here, the XY also is rotated together. See, can you see the XY is also rotated the same position? Okay, so XY also moves to the same direction. This XY is not because why it is here is because we draw this on the 0, 0. I want to move this one a little bit further. Okay, I'm not going to draw at WCS. Okay, you know what is UCS and WCS? What is the difference between UCS and WCS? Anybody can say? What is the difference between UCS and WCS? Who can say?
UCS, if using UCS, we can rotate without X and Y. X and Y, we can rotate without the object.
Without the object, X and Y can rotate. Okay.
Yeah.
So WCS is?
WCS is rotate with the X and Y and object.
Okay. So I think the best definition is actually between the UCS and WCS is actually, you see here, it gives you WCS, right? Okay. Okay. I want to delete this one first. Okay. Delete. Okay. Now I go to old command. Now I'm going to draw at here. Okay. Same thing. I'm going to draw it here. Dimensions 10, 5, and then this is the direction again. Okay. Now I'm going to extrude. Again, I'm going to extrude only. So maybe 20 mm is enough for one. 20. Oh, sorry. Okay. Extrude 2 mm. Okay. Sorry. Extrude. Select. Enter. Distance is 2 mm. Okay. Now I'm going to see the thing. How does it look like? Okay. Now you see, my XY is here. Okay. I move a little bit further, so it'll be easier. Okay, move. See, my XYZ is here, right? So this is WCS. Okay, this is WCS World Coordinate System. WCS is what? Somebody can say?
World Coordinate System.
World Coordinate. Yeah, that's correct. World Coordinate System. And UCS is User Coordinate System. What is the difference between World Coordinate System and User Coordinate System? World Coordinate System is actually the default system that is in the computer. User Coordinate System you can move anywhere you want. So you see now I'm going to change the to User Coordinate. You see new UCS, right? So I'm changing to change the position. Now I'm going to select this position, or maybe like I select here at this corner. See, I selected here. Now it's asking what? X position. So X position is actually this is X. Okay, and then a point on y. I select this one. Okay, now you see this change to unnamed. Can you see here? Change it to unnamed, right? What is the meaning of unnamed? See here also change to unnamed. Okay, here change to unnamed, right? I cannot say this. Okay, later I'll tell you. Okay, now I change my WCS to UCS. You understand now? WCS is actually the world coordinate system. That means the system's coordinate. UCS is any coordinate that you can set by user. That means you can move. See, for example, I can also move to here. See, for example, I select here and I move to, I select here, sorry. I select my coordinate system and move anywhere I want. Okay. Now this I move to here. See, I move here. Now become WCS already. Now I want to change to use. I can change it here. I can change this position, then X, then Y is okay. Now you see now the XY is need to change, right? So this should be here. X is here, then Y should be this direction. Okay. Now my XY is still in the XY direction is this one. Understand? Clear? Now you know what is the UCS and what is WCS? Everybody know? Clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, got it, huh? Right. You go to the next one. So next one is actually now we are going to see just now we saw the U cube, V cube. Then V cube can be bring it or you can take it out. How you do that? Okay. See, you can put a comment here. View, sorry, cube. Sorry, VIEW view cube. Okay, on or off. Okay, I put off. Gone. See, my V cube is gone. So how to bring it back? Okay, I can bring it back. Okay, I can bring it back here from here also. I can bring it back. Restore viewport. Sorry, V cube gone, right? So V cube come back. So otherwise, okay, we just click here again. V cube display. Then just now view cube on. Okay, now we got it back. You see? So here also we can change actually. View cube, see, gone, and here we got it back. Okay, so you can delete this one and remove this one, and here also you can do that actually. View cube will be somewhere here. I think okay. So two methods is enough. So we can change here this one, delete, or you can bring it back. Then we'll come. This is called V cube. Okay, everybody say V cube.
No, sir.
Yes. Enama? Any doubt?
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
எங்க சிஸ்டம் வர மாட்டேங்குது சார். விக்கு டேட்டா வர மாட்டேங்குது சார் கமெண்ட்ஸ்லயே.
ஓகே, வரல. என்ன வருது? இப்படி டைப் பண்ணா வருது.
பிரஸ் F1 ஃபார் ஹெல்ப் கேக்குது சார்.
வியூ இது மாதிரி என்ன அடிச்சா என்ன வருது?
விக்கு அடிக்கும்போது அதான் சார். பிரஸ் F1 ஃபார் ஹெல்ப் கேக்குது சார்.
ஓகே.
ஸ்பெல்லிங் கரெக்ட்டா அடிச்சா.
What is that?
ஸ்பெல்லிங் கரெக்ட்டானு பார்க்க சொல்லுங்க சார். ஸ்பெல்லிங் தப்பா இருந்தா போயிடும்.
ஸ்பெல்லிங் பாருங்க. அதாவது ஷியரா வரும், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. இல்லனா நம்ம வந்து அப்புறம் கிளாஸ்ல இப்ப கிளாஸ் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம வந்து எல்லாரும் லேப்டாப் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் we will try that one. ஓகே, இப்போ நீங்க மட்டும் தான் வச்சிருக்கீங்க, அதனால கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுது. எல்லாரும் வச்சிருந்தாங்க வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், என்ன பிரச்சனை தெரிஞ்சிருவோம். ஓகே சார். ரைட். So next one, this is called steering wheel. Okay, Steering wheel is only for use in advanced user. Okay. Okay. So okay. So this steering wheel is used for advanced users. Okay. Now we don't go into it. So we will be skipping this one, and we'll go to the next one. See this. Okay. Anyhow, I'll tell you. Like, see, this is here zoom, right? Zoom is actually like just click here and it will zoom. Okay. So it will zoom the thing. Then you can see pan. Pan is actually pan. You can move the thing. Okay. Then it is orbit. Orbit you can rotate. Okay. You know that, right? Then orbit. So this is for advanced users. So we don't when it close, just close it like this. So okay. So then this is right. Then this is actually pan. Pan is actually like, for example, to you to move the thing like this. Okay. Then extend. Extend is actually when you see it's a what is zoom extend? You know, 2D you already learned, right? That means you see everything together. Okay. Okay. Then here also you got a lot of commands. Zoom window, zoom previous, zoom real time. All you all know all these things, right? You know, right? Okay. We go to orbit. Okay. Where it has gone? Navigation bar is gone. Where is my navigation bar gone? Okay. Navigation. NaviCube. On already. Okay. View. VQ. Isolate. Zoom all. Okay, zoom all. Where it has gone? Give me a minute. Sudden. Okay. You will go and come back again. I'll open a new drawing. Suddenly this is time. So I open again. Some error. Okay. Am I sharing the what you can see? AutoCAD you can see?
No, sir. No
Cannot see
loading.
AutoCAD.
No
Huh?
loading, sir. No loading.
Now can see?
Now can see.
Okay, right.
Now coming, sir.
So the thing come back already. So some error there. So this one is gone. So now you have the top and this one is back. So then okay. Then another thing I want to show you is actually a little bit slow. That's why sometime the thing is the system has become slow. Okay.
Someone doubt, sir.
Huh?
நம்ம ஆட்டோகேட்ல வந்து 2D ல ஷீட் செட் பண்ணுவோம் சார். இதுல அந்த மாதிரி தேவையில்லையா சார்?
Yeah, can. See limits. You can set if necessary. Then you can set 0,0. Then is 420. Okay, this is okay. Okay. Now zoom all. Okay, now you can see the whole window. You can do that. Okay. Now I need to say this is called a previous view, because if you this is what is the thing is actually when you okay, this is animation. Animation is actually what is the thing is we will in future there will be if time permits we'll learn about this kind of recording and animation. Okay, so now we have completed this. Then what else we need to see? Okay, so tabs, rectangle, view, cube, finish. Okay, WC and UCS finish, parallel and perspective. Okay, I want to show you parallel and perspective view. Last week we already see. Do you remember? Anybody remembers? Anybody remember parallel and perspective view?
Example, railway track, sir.
Yes, okay, you remember that thing. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next thing, like isometric view. What is isometric view?
Front view 3D model தான் சார்.
என்னம்மா?
Front view, back view, front
I can't
3D model தான் சார் இருக்கும் isometric.
Yeah, isometric view is
மூணு
something
view
like
மாதிரி.
okay.
View மூணு view வரும் சார் இதுல.
Okay. Isometric view is something like this. Okay, you draw a box. Okay, this is called isometric view. Okay, because this is called isometric view. You know what is orthographic view? You know what is orthographic view? When you see from the side, orthographic view is nothing but plan view, top view, left view, right view. You see, these are the important points you need to know, because when you say AutoCAD, people ask you, hey, what is orthographic view? If you don't know, then it will be like, they won't agree that you know AutoCAD. You understand? When you say isometric view, if you don't understand isometric view, they don't understand that you know AutoCAD. So these are the things you need to learn and understand. If you don't know perspective view, and you don't know parallel view, people will not think that you may be very good in AutoCAD, but people may not understand that you know AutoCAD. Understand? So you should know all these things. Okay, so this is called orthographic view. Orthographic view is the top view. See, this is called orthographic view. Top view, or like left. Okay, like okay, I'll change to the visualize. Then easy to understand. Visualize. I put 3 view. Okay. So here I choose the. Okay. So this is called. What is this called?
Isometric view.
Isometric view. Okay. This one. Sorry. This is isometric, right? Okay. So. This one is called. These two is called what? Anybody?
Orthography.
Orthography. Very good.
Orthographic.
So this is called orthographic and this is called isometric.
Orthographic,
okay?
sir.
Clear? Right. Okay. So now what else we need to learn? I'll come back to the okay. View cube setting we already saw, right? Compass we saw. What is compass? Okay, compass is actually is nothing but this is called compass. Okay. See here you can just rotate the thing. See here you can go and rotate. See it can rotating, right? See this when you click here and rotate, this is called compass. Okay, this is called compass. Okay, so then I'll go to the next one. Next what I need to teach, orbit, visualize. Okay, so last week I taught visualize. Visualize is nothing but this is the command that I told you that you need to you can have a different view. Okay, now I'm going to teach the 2D wireframe thing. This is called 2D wireframe, right? Then this one is called what? This view I'm going to change to conceptual. Conceptual is nothing but it will give you a same picture. It will give you a conceptual. Concept means what? Is something like a better view. That's all. This is a conceptual. This is called conceptual, and this is called hidden. Sorry, this is called hidden. What is hidden? Anybody?
மறைக்கிறது சார்.
Nama?
ஹிடனா மறைக்கிறது ஒரு மறைக்கிறது சார். ஹிடனா அது ஒரு பார்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் மறைக்கிறது.
எது மறைக்குது? எது மறைக்குது?
மேபி ஃப்ரண்ட் பேக் வியூ சார். பேக் வியூ மறைக்குது. அந்த பேக்
வீலா?
பேக் வியூ சார். பேக் வியூ
மறைக்குதா?
ஆமா பேக் சைடு சார். ஆன் சைடு ஆயிட்டு சார்.
இதுவா?
ஆமா சார். அது டயகிராம்ல சார்.
போட்டோ மறைக்குதா?
அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 சைடு காமிச்சல சார் ரெக்டாங்குலர். இப்போ வந்து டாப் வியூ, ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூ 3 வியூ தான் சார் இருக்கு இப்ப.
Okay, now வேணா போட்டுக்கலாம். See, you can change. See, how many you want? This is the 3 now. The enough-ங்கறனால I just put 4. This put like this, then it will become all the 3 will be there. 1, 2, 3. It's up to you. For me, I thought that this is 3 is enough, so I just use 3. Okay? Clear? Clear, Ama?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. So now this is like this. And this one I want to give it to this view. Okay. Okay. And I want to teach you one more thing. Okay. You know what is axillary view? Anybody, any idea axillary view? Axillary view is actually seeing the view at a 45-degree angle. Only you can see the two views. And now what is you are seeing? This is what is this? Front, right? This is front. Actually, I don't know whether you can see a seat or not. This is front. This one is bottom. Okay. Now you are seeing the same thing. Here bottom and this front. You are seeing at 45-degree angle, and only you can see the view. This is called axillary view. Understand? This is called what view? Anybody? Axillary view. Good.
Axillary view.
Okay. This is axillary view. Okay. Axillary view you can see only two view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
To custom view. This is a front top. Okay. This is top, right? I want top. So I want to have a front. Okay. Okay, right. Okay. What I suppose teach axillary view is completed. Then okay, we are in the learning the views, right? Okay, so hidden view. Then this is realistic. Realistic is actually something. It is really what you are getting here. Then here is shaded. Shaded is something like you will they will be just shaded with the gray. I think shaded then shaded with gray. This is called, it's always gray color will give you. It will give you a gray color. Now, even you change the color, it will not change the color. Okay, it will give you always a gray. Then shades of sorry, shaded with edges. I think this is, sorry, you cannot see this one properly. This is shaded with edges. Sorry, shaded with edges. Edges is you can see the edge clearly. See here you cannot see the edge. See, you cannot see the edge, right? Here you can see the edge. Shaded with edge. Okay. Then this is called shades of gray. Shades of gray is always it will have a gray color. It looks nice, but it will only give you one color. If you change the color, it still will be the gray. Okay. If you want, I can change the color and try, because change color is now you don't need to learn first, because I will later teach you the change color one. Okay. Okay, so I think change color is a solid. Then I think it will be somewhere. Yes, change color is where visualize. No. Solid editing. Okay, I think here. Okay, color. Okay. Solid. Okay. Okay, now the color is already changed, but why you cannot see is because of the shade of gray. I changed the color. I changed to see, now you can see the yellow color. Now you cannot see the yellow color. It's because of the view. Yeah, hidden. Okay, sorry, this is click here, so it shows you that. Then sketch. Sketch is something like it will look like when you draw something like when you draw in a pencil. Then wireframe also same like last time. The first one is almost this two is same. X-ray is something like you can view through. You can transparent, semi-transparent one we can view through. Okay. So whatever we do here also can be done here. See, you can do the same thing here. Okay. Same thing can do here. So whatever we do in the view cube, this view cube can also be done here. See, like I can change the view. You can do it here. Okay. So these all can be done here. So this is a view one. So what else we have left it? I think I have completed all the basic of the classes. Parallel. Okay, so done already. Okay. So we have still got time. So I'll go to the next class one. Okay. Now basic thing. How to draw a basic box type thing. Okay. In box you can draw box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, and torus. Okay. Before that, I want to touch up a little bit of view so it will be easy for you to draw. Okay. Last week, do I remember which plane you can draw? Can somebody say which plane we can draw? Any idea?
XY.
XY. Very good. Who's that? Babu? Ashok? Yes,
sir. Babu.
Babu. Good. Very good. Okay. So only you can draw in X and Y direction. Okay. So now I have a. So what is the XY direction here? Is the XY direction is where? See, this is unnamed. Okay. I want to go to WCS. Okay. WCS. Okay. Now you see your X and Y is where? Here, right? X and Y is here, right? So if you draw some, okay, I'll change this one to 2D wireframe. Okay. I want to draw a circle on top of this. Can I draw a circle on top of this? Can? I cannot. I want to draw a circle on here. Okay, I try. Yeah, I make a circle here. Okay. Maybe okay. I say take center and I draw a circle here. Can I draw a circle? Cannot. This surface cannot be drawn. Because why? The XY is always here. So you can draw an XY. Okay. So how to change this plane? Okay. So I delete this one first. Okay. Two things you can do. Now I change this one to like this is what? Front. Okay. Front view. Now it is in front. Now XY is here, right? See, XY also change. Now I try to draw here a circle. Okay. Now I'll see what happens. I drawn, but the thing is not in this point, correct? So how to exactly put it on this surface? So two things we can do. One is you can change your UCS. You already know the UCS can be moved, right? UCS can be moved, right? New UCS. Okay, you can move your UCS to this place. Okay. Now change the XY direction. What did it specify? Oh, you see, see here. UCS specify the point in X direction. So X direction is this one. Okay, this is X direction. Then Y direction is this one. Okay, now it's asking Y, a point on Y, so I accept. So now you already got. Now I am trying to draw a circle. See what happens? I can draw exactly on the point. You see? Here it's already drawn, here it's already drawn. Maybe I can see, I can change the view to like this is a view. Okay, this view to top. Okay, and this view to maybe like front. Okay, front is okay, huh? Or left. Okay. See, now my thing is, can you see here? This circle is exactly at this point. You know why at this point? You see here, your XY is there. Can you see? Because your XY is there. So that's why your thing is, your circle is in this point. When you draw here also, it doesn't get it. Because your X and Y was at this point. Understand?
Understand, sir.
Very good. Okay. So now you get, so okay, if you draw on top, what you should do? How to draw on the top of the thing, circle?
Change the X and Y.
Change the X and Y to top, right? Simple. Okay. So there is another method is there. Okay. Okay. So I'll try the thing. New UCS again. New UCS. Go here. Select this point. Then select the X direction, and this is the Y direction. Y direction, and then enter. Okay. because it goes to WCS already, sorry. New UCS, this point, and the XY direction is right. Specify a point on XY, okay. Okay, right. Now you got it right. Now we can draw a circle on. Okay, I draw X again. Okay, maybe 6 side. I enter 6. I select here. Describe of the circle. Okay, and I draw X again. Now hexagon is on the this side. Okay, undo. Sorry, the hexagon is too big, so I don't want to see hexagon. Okay, maybe circle is better, or a rectangle. Okay. Okay, so I draw a rectangle already. Okay, so draw a rectangle. So now there is a rectangle on the top of the here. Because I move, this is not look like a rectangle because it look like a trapezoid is because I move this direction. Okay. Okay, there is another view, another way you can do the thing. Okay. See, for example, there is one thing called dynamic UCS. Dynamic UCS. Can everybody say this word? Dynamic UCS. What is that? Hello. This is not what did I say?
Dynamic UCS.
Yes, dynamic UCS. Good. So you should go here. You can see here dynamic UCS. See, this is on. First you should on here, and this button is here. This one. Okay, on. Okay, now you see I'm going to draw a circle here. Now my XY is where? It's here, right? But I'm going to draw here. See, it works or not. See, I can draw. Can see now? I can draw. I can draw, right? This time I did not move my UCS is still here, but I can draw. See, when I click here, automatically my UCS is changed. You see? Hey, sorry. Dynamic UCS. You see my UCS become XY here. Can you see the X and Y here? Can?
See, can see, sir.
Yeah, good. See? Now I can draw here. I can anywhere even I can draw here. See? I make a circle here. When I bring here, it's already highlighted. See this blue color highlighting? I can draw anywhere. I can also draw on top. Can see? Can? Okay.
Can.
Okay, good. So now we have we know that how to move the UCS already. Okay, now we come back to the new draw. Okay, I'll delete all these things. Then we'll start from the beginning. Okay, just draw the basic shape. Okay. Okay, I want to go to single view. Single view, I can go here and then select the maximize viewport. You'll get the single view. Correct? You got a single view, right? Now, what should I do? Box. Box is nothing but a draw a box. Okay. So you always follow, especially the first corner. First corner can be here. Then specifically the other corner is here. Then specifically the height. Height is always when you go on top is plus, and when you go here minus. This is minus and this is plus. Okay. So I just give it here some direction. Maybe like I give maybe 10. Okay, just give 10. So this height is 10 now. Now I got a box. This box can be, I can change to like shaded with gray or whatever it is. Okay, right. Now the second thing I want to draw is like cylinder. Cylinder, what should I do? Okay, cylinder. You see what is it asking? Specify the center. Center is here. Then it's asking you the radius. Radius is how much? Maybe I can give you maybe like 4. Then it's asking you the height. Height maybe 5. This is a cylinder. Okay. Right. So next is cone. You know cone? Cone is therima. That's cone. Okay. So center. Then the radius radius I give you just 4. Then it's gonna give you height maybe like give you maybe 10. This is cone. I draw a cone already. Then sphere. Sphere is nothing about a ball, okay? Like sphere center, then it's asking you the radius. My radius is 5. So this is called a sphere, okay? Then pyramid. Pyramid actually it can give you what is center is asking a center. Then the base point. Base point is actually maybe like a base radius. Base radius or yeah, give me a minute. I will want to see what is question. Okay. Inscribe. Base radius or inscribe. Okay. So okay, let it be 5. Okay, this height. So if you go on top, it will be this one. If you go on bottom, it will be like this. Okay, always. That's why they say left hand thumb rule. Do you remember left hand thumb rule? X, Y, and Z. Okay. This is like X, Y, and Z. Okay. So this is called, we give 5 maybe. This pyramid. Then wedge. Wedge is nothing but you triangle, then you give one side. Okay, like this is wedge. Only one side will be sharp and other side will be whatever the height, whatever you give. That's called wedge. Then torus. Torus is something like a donut. Have you seen donut? Specific point, radius, then you can give the point here. Okay. So today we learn about all the what we learn. Okay, recap. Okay. Can somebody say something? What we learned today?